Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our July kit reveals. If you don't know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club, plus we also do our own laser cut chipboard, and you can find this all on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. Head on over there and check out our kits that are available and check out our July kit release. Because if you're seeing this video, then that means our kits are already live. Our kits are limited in number, so if you want one, when you're over there, click on the subscribe button and you can subscribe to any combination of kits you like. So without further ado, let's get into the kits. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. With our scrapbook kit, we lean towards the more shabby chic romantic type style. Occasionally we'll do a themed kit for like maybe around the holidays or Christmas, but other than that we do shabby chic romantic, and every now and then we'll throw in some grunge. This month for July we have really pretty shabby chic papers, but first up we're going to start with the embellishments. You're going to get this really pretty two-piece pack of Prima flowers. They're like a nice soft pink, but the center, if you can see, it's all painted gold on the inside. These are really pretty flowers, and they've got a little bit of shimmer to them. Next up, you've got a royal spray in ivory for 15 pieces from 49 and Market. Their flowers are really pretty too. And at Treasure Lee, there's always going to be flowers in your kit. Next up, we've got these package of cloches from Prima Marketing from their memory hardware, and you're going to get all 3 pieces. Really fun embellishment. Next, you're going to get some chipboard, and this is our own chipboard we cut in-house, and you can also find that on the website. But first up, you're going to have this bee wreath. It's really pretty, and it's going to go perfectly with these papers. And then next up, you're going to have this border swirl. And all of these are in the store, so you can get them separately from the kit. And I'll have the link down below for the chipboard. Now let's get into these papers. This month we've got papers from Ciao Bella. Also about Treasure Lee, we focus mainly on international papers that are hard to get in the States. So that's another unique thing about our kit. And this set is called Blooming, and it's really pretty, like watercolor, but it's really, really pretty. So some pinks and some yellows, and this is your top sheet. Don't throw that out, because a lot of companies now have been putting like extras on the back sheet. So how pretty is that extra sheet? And then you've got some cutouts down here if you want to layer these behind your photos, or even use these for cards, because you can do so many different things with our scrapbook kit. But just remember, we've got 2 other kits coming too. How about this sheet? How gorgeous is that for like a shabby chic steampunk page? Really pretty with the gears and everything all right in the center. And here's your back side to that. And again, these colors, they aren't pop off the page vibrant because they're more so watercolored, so they're a little muted, but they're still really pretty colors. How about this one? Look at these pretty flowers over here. It all looks like it's hand painted, which will give really nice detail to your projects, whatever you decide to create with this kit. And I'm sorry, I didn't mention this kit retails for $52. That includes your shipping, and that's US shipping only. You'll have to check out the website or email us for your international shipping, and we only charge exact shipping for our international. Look at this gorgeous watercolor butterfly. How pretty is that? And here's your back side. I just think these are really nice spring and summer colors. There's another sheet. And your back side. I'm just absolutely loving this paper, because there's not a lot you need to do to it. How about you add your photo, throw in a few extra flowers, maybe a piece of chipboard, and you are done. There's the back side. So, so pretty. Here you go. And again, you've got this floral wreath right here. Pop a picture right in the center of that. You know, throw on a few extra flowers, and you are done. But I find that Ciao Bella papers are also good for like alternate projects. I made a loaded envelope once with the papers and it came out absolutely gorgeous. It was a labor of love, but once it was done with these papers, and here you've got some cutouts. Again, you can use these to layer behind your photo, or how about taking a card, cutting this out, popping it right on top, adding your sentiment, and you're done. But here's the back side. It's just a regular sheet. And here's another one. You could make some ATC cards with these. How gorgeous would these be to use in a swap, making some ATC cards? Again, really simple. Cutting your cardstock, cutting this out, popping it on top, adding a few other little embellishments, and there you go. And the back sides of these, if you cut these out, the front, and then you'll have something on the back side as well. So this has been our scrapbook kit, and like I said, you can find it on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. So now we have our cards, tags, and more kit, and this kit is exactly that. It's for card makers. You can make tags, any small projects. If you like to scrap with smaller projects or make cards, this is the kit for you. You may find you may have a mini album 1 month, stuff for oversized tags, stuff for cards. This month we're focusing on cards. So let's start with the embellishments. First up, you're going to have this ink in pink grapefruit, and then you're going to have some of our chipboard, and these are some of our larger pieces that we scale down for cards. That's the one thing I like about being cutting our own chipboard. We can size this or customize this any way that we want. And again, this will be on the website as well. It'll all be linked down below. And you're going to get a set of 2 butterflies. I dropped mine somewhere. I can't find it. But you're going to have 2 of these in your kit as well. And these have been scaled down a little bit from our normal size. So if you are on the website and you're looking at the butterflies, they're going to be a little bit bigger than this. Only because, like I said, we scaled these down. Maybe we'll just add a new category for card stuff, and then that way you'll know. You're also going to get a pack of Prima flowers, and I love these 2-tone flowers, and I love that it's a mix of flowers in here as far as colors go. But you're going to get this full pack. You're also going to get this border and corner die. It's a little scalloped, and I think it's going to go perfectly. It would be nice for like borders on your cards or your tags or anything. But you're going to get this die. Next up, we're going to skip the paper for a second, and we're going to go into, you're going to get 6 pre-cut cards. You're going to get 2 of this side, and they're all going to have the deco edge already. So you're going to get 2 of the smaller ones, and then you're going to get 2 medium ones, and again, they're all deco edge cut, which is really nice. And then you're going to get 2 large ones. These are the bigger size cards, but you're going to get 2 of those, and so that's 6 cards. But you're also going to get envelopes to go with each one. So you're going to get 2 smaller ones, 2 of the medium ones, and 2 of the large ones, because we all know if you're making cards, you need envelopes for those cards. So we've got that. Next up, we've got our papers. These papers are so pretty. They're single-sided, and I believe these are Studio Light. I'll have to double check on it. But here you go. And like I said, they're single-sided, but they're so pretty. Nice summery. This, looking at this, I don't know about you, but it reminds me of the beach. So that's nice and beachy. But again, we've got some really pretty cards here. And you get so many, and they're single-sided, so you don't have to worry about having a design on both sides that you want to use. So I do like that about the single-sided sheets. Every sheet, you know, you can use and not worry about, you know, trying to decide which sides you're going to use. And these would make fun cards or fun tags. But the papers are really pretty. You've got some textures here too, so you don't have to worry about them being too feminine. And then because you've got the blues in here too and some browns in here, I wouldn't worry about them being too feminine. And then you've got a sheet, you've got some cutouts, so you can use these. And then you've got the polka dots. And even with the flowers on these, you've still got some texture on these, as well as this one. It's a little lighter, but yes, definitely. And here's our last sheet. So this has been our cards, tags, and more kit. This kit retails for $42. And again, you can find it all on the website at www.treasurelykids.com. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. So here's our mixed media kit. And if you don't know about our mixed media kit, it's all about building your mediums. You know, we give you a bunch of different mediums every month, so you can build your stock, but you can also play around with different mediums. And we give you smaller sizes too, so if it's something that you're not really comfortable with or you're not sure you like it, you don't have a whole lot just sitting there. But then if you do like it, you know, you can go ahead and get the larger size of it. But it's about fun and building our mediums. But the unique thing about our mixed media kit is not only do we give you mediums, we give you like a little small project. So this is a standalone kit, so you can open up your box. You can subscribe to just this, and like I said, then open up your box and go ahead and get started playing with your mediums. And if you're unsure how to use the mediums, then make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you, first of all, you like this video, and then you're subscribed and hit that notification bell and turn it to all, because we do videos. Plus monthly, I do a live with the mixed media kit. Creating a project. I'll create a project and then I'll recreate it for you. But let's get into these mediums first. First off, you've got some texture paste, and this is in translucent, so this is going to be a clear texture paste. But never fear, because you're going to get several micas to change the color of your texture paste if you like. This first one is in, oh gosh, where's the color? Verde Primavera. It's a nice pretty shimmery green. You see that? Next up, you got Salmon Pink, and I absolutely love this. It's kind of like corally pink. And then you've got Pumpkin Orange, so you've got that orange to go along with that corally pink. Pretty colors together. And then you're going to have a bright yellow. This is called Brilliant Yellow. And it's just a gorgeous, bright, summery yellow. And then you're going to get a full thing of some Earth Pebbles. You got those. You're also going to get, and I opened mine already, so, the Parisian Arch Shutter. And this is from Prima. And it's great to alter, especially using these mediums. But along with that too, you're going to get this house silhouette. This is a Treasure Lee original. We cut this ourselves, and this one, instead of being chipboard, you've got wood. So you've either got, you know, one project to put together, or you've got two projects, you know, to get started. And you're also going to get this vintage floral stencil to use with your texture paste to do your backgrounds. So this is going to be a lot of fun to play around with. And this kit retails for $47. So this has been our July kits. I'm Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club. Thank you for stopping by. But again, before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on our video, so you'll be notified every time we upload a video. And then head over to the website at www.treasurelykids.com. Take a look at our kits and our chipboard. A lot of kits are sold out, but there's still some that are available. So, like I said, thanks for stopping by. Bye.